Sex actually causes some people to sneeze. That's right, but that's not the only other unusual cause of sneezing. Some people sneeze when they look at bright lights. That's right, or sunlight. It's actually a syndrome that is transmitted genetically. Not only that, my dad, by the way, he sneezes if you push or touch his nose. Does that happen to you? I've never met anyone besides my dad who that happens to. But also, plucking your eyebrows can actually stimulate sneezing. That has to do with the nerves on the face. But some people also sneeze after drinking alcohol. Some people sneeze after chewing gum. Some people sneeze after eating a heavy meal. Oh, and exercise, by the way, if I have not mentioned that, some people sneeze after exercising. So lots of unusual times that people sneeze. Let me know when you sneeze and if it's unusual.